All right, guys, Ask a Felon back with another one for you. This is going to be a short, so if you would, please hit that like, notification bell, and subscribe to my channel. Your question, graping going on in there. I'd never seen anything like that while I was in there. First day in prison, really like it was. It was about as what you could imagine. Being locked up with a bunch of guys you know nothing about, knowing you're in there with murderers and shit. So it was probably the most scariest, loneliest feeling. I've already answered this one a couple times. What's the worst part about being locked up? Not being able to see the people you love. That's the worst part. 100% hands down, that's the worst part. Not being able to see the people you love. How does prison commissary actually work? They give you a sheet of paper, or you can order it on the kiosk, and that's when you get to put your order in. It gets you every 2 weeks. You go down, they'll bring the commissary and drop it off, or you go down to a little building that's commissary. They got the window with the cages on it, and then you get your food, you get your commissaries. What's the food really like? It's just like school food and jail food mixed. Did I ever fear for my life? No. I don't think there was ever a time I actually feared for my life. I feared that I was going to get the shit beat out of me, maybe get like a tooth knocked out or something like that, get broke bones, but never like feared for my life. But somebody could lose their life in there real easy if you mess with somebody who's in there for life, or just an accident, you know. What happens if someone steals from another inmate? You're gonna, depending on who the inmate is, you could either end up just getting beat really, really bad, or you could end up getting killed. If there's a man in there who's doing 20, 30 years, or a man who's got life, and you steal his shit, he ain't got nothing to lose. He's gonna make it known that you don't steal from me. What's the most valuable thing in prison? I'm gonna have to say that'd be either commissary, or drugs, or green dot cards. Remember, guys, hit that like, comment, subscribe. What surprised me most about prison was that there wasn't everybody in there wasn't like killers, and everybody wasn't mean, and it wasn't you got to get in there and fight every day to survive. That was the most surprising thing to me. That being said, guys, that's it for this one. Remember, hit that like, comment with some questions, subscribe, hit your notification bell. I already got a video. I've started a series. I've started from the first years of my life up to middle school, and when I moved out of on my own. I'm going to do the next series, part of that series here, as soon as I get a little bit more subscribers. That being said, that's all I got.